Hi there, and welcome to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. If you're a small business owner, bookkeeper, or just trying to get your QuickBooks Online account set up the right way, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to add a credit card account to your QuickBooks Online profile. This is one of the first steps in getting your books accurate and ready for reconciling, budgeting, and tax prep. So let's dive in. Adding your business credit card to QuickBooks Online helps you track expenses automatically, avoid missing tax deductions, reconcile your accounts easily, and it allows you to see the full picture of your cash flow. If you're still manually entering credit card expenses or just lumping them into one expense category, trust me, this is going to make your life so much easier. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to the left-hand side toolbar and click on the Accounting or Transactions tab, then select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where all your financial accounts live: checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and more. In the top right corner, click the green New button to add a new account. Now, go ahead and choose the account type as credit card. Detail type, also as credit card. Now you can name your account. You can enter something recognizable like Chase Business Credit Card or Amex Rewards Card. Now this is optional, but I also like to add the last 4 digits of the card number or the card account number. Naming your accounts clearly will help when categorizing later, or if you have multiple credit cards. Now, if you're adding a credit card that's already in use, you can enter the opening balance as of the day you start tracking it in QuickBooks. You can use your most recent statement or online balance as of your start date. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. And that's it. You've successfully added your credit card account to QuickBooks. If you want to pull in real-time transactions, you can connect your credit card to the bank feed. QuickBooks will import automatically. You can categorize and match them to invoices or expenses, saving you time and reducing manual entry. Some credit card providers only allow 90 days of history. You may need to upload older transactions manually, but don't worry, I already have a video on that right here on my channel. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.